So the next thing I'd like to show you is how to set up your gradebook in Schoology so that your grades can push through to PowerSchool. And I do this step before adding any assignments. So the first thing I'm going to do is select a class. And then I'm going to go over to the left side of my screen and I'm going to scroll down to Grade Setup. Click that link. Now up at the top it says categories. I'm going to add a category. And I want you to think of categories not as your name of your assignments, but how or what they are. So your homework, your projects, your exams, maybe your warm-ups. I will grade on reflections, and I'm not going to do any total points because those are going to adjust throughout the semester, and then click create. And I'm going to add the next thing. I'm going to do projects, create, and then the last thing that I grade on are my tests or my finals. So I'll just call it test. So these are the three things that I will grade on throughout the semester. At any point, if I want to add something else, I can just come back into Grade Setup. So these three are here. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and click Save Changes. And now my categories are set up for whenever I add an assignment. Now you do have to do this for every course that you go into. So if I want to do this for another class, I'll go over to my 4A. Again, Gradebook Setup. And you can see I already have them added. Portfolio, project, reflection. I'm actually going to add test, create, and save. And that's how you set up your categories to make sure that they get pushed through.